Hey folks, I have Honor Band 7 in front of me, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set it up. Now, the first thing we need to do is to turn it on, so you can press this button and hold it for 2 to 3 seconds. You should see something like this, so you have an option to choose the language. I'm going to choose English here, and now what we need to do is to scan this QR code to install the app. So let's do that next. I'm going to take my phone, open the QR code app, and then just simply scan this QR code. Then tap on the link. And here's the app. So tap on the install. Okay, so once the app is installed, tap on open. Next, I agree. Allow. And that's pretty much it. So we have installed the app. Now let's connect Honor Band 7 to the app. Tap on the devices. Tap on add device. And it looks like we have to have Honor ID to add the device. You can register if you already didn't, or if you did, you can log in here. So once you register or log in, you're going to see this screen here. Tap on I agree. I'm going to skip this step here and then tap on device. While using this app, allow. And here is the device. So once the app finds the device, tap on it. Here said connection failed. So I'm going to make sure that device is close, and I'm going to tap on Retrieve again. Now I have to confirm on the device by tapping on the check. If you want to allow it to access your contacts and call history, this is really up to you. You can do this later, so I'm going to leave it unchecked and tap on pair. That's pretty much it. Now tap on the complete. And then we have a few options here, like to receive the notifications and stuff. You can tap here on enable. You should definitely enable that if you're planning to use this fitness band. So now scroll down to Honor Health app, tap on it, and allow notification access. Then go back. Again, I'm going to allow all of this. And again, access to your contacts, you want to allow that too. Allow and allow. Now, the first thing you'll see here is the list from which apps you can get notifications. You can disable the apps you don't want to get notifications from, and so on. So it's really up to you from this point on how you want to continue. Tap here on OK. And as you can see, you have successfully connected to the device. Everything is working fine. And that's pretty much it. So now you can explore the app a little bit and see what other options you have here. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that this video was useful to you. Again, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below. Thanks, have a nice day, and see you in the next one.